Hello, and welcome to Let's Learn English with Anna. I am Dr. Jill. But who are you? Today, we answer that question. Who are you? So let's go to Anna's treehouse. She helps us answer the question, who are you?
Hi, welcome to my treehouse. I am Anna.
And I am Max.
That is Max. Max is an e-mailbox.
Anna, I have our question for today.
Thanks, Max. Who are you? Who are you? I am Anna. I am Anna.
I am Max.
Anna.
I am Max.
Max, I'm not done yet.
Oh, sorry.
Max, I'm done now.
And I am Max.
Nice song. Okay, friends, say the question after me. Who are you? Who are you? Now, let's meet some new friends. They answered today's question too.
I am Zanitsu. I am Anna Abhiri.
Hi, I am Alexa.
How many friends do you see? 1, 2, 3. That's right, 3 friends. Okay, now let's play a game with our friends. They say their names. You listen. Are you ready? Here they are. Find the names with the letter A.
I am Zanitsu. I am Anna Abhiri.
Hi, I am Alexa.
That's right. Alexa and Anna have the letter A. Good job. Now let's go back to Anna's treehouse. She talks about other words with the letter A. Let's go.
Who are you? Who are you? I am Anna. Anna starts with an A. But the letter A has many sounds. A, ape. A, apple. Anna. Anna ate an apple. Who are you? Who are you?
I am Max. You are Anna.
Who are you? Who am I? I need to walk. Who am I? Who? Who are you? You are an owl. 1 owl. 2 owls. 3 owls. I love owls. 3 owls. I love owls. And I love to walk.
Anna, it's time to go.
Thanks, Max. Come back again, though. Goodbye.
Now you try it. Ask your family and friends. Who are you? How do they answer?
I am Zanitsu. I am Anna Abhiri.
Hi, I am Alexa.
See you next time on Let's Learn English with Anna.
I am Anna.
and welcome to Let's Learn English with Anna. I am Dr. Jill. Today, we talk about our favorite foods. I like to eat apples. Now, let's go to Anna's treehouse. She helps us answer the question, what do you like to eat?
Hi, I am Anna. Welcome to my treehouse.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Max.
Anna, I have today's question from the teacher.
Thanks, Max. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? What do I like to eat?
What do you like to eat? Anna, what do you like to eat?
Letters B and N. Ba, na. Ba, na. Max, please give me 3 A's.
Yes, Anna. Here are 3 A's.
Banana. 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 Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Go. Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Go. Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. But now I have no bananas. Let's buy bananas.
Yes, let's buy bananas. Well, you go buy bananas.
Yes. I go. You stay. I walk to the shop. This is a shop. You buy things in a shop. Let's go. I have a big bag of bananas. Oh no, my bag. I have an idea.
Now you try. Ask your friends, what do you like to eat? You can talk about it, write about it, you can even sing about it. Good work today. See you next time on Let's Learn English with Anna. Goodbye, Anna. Goodbye, Max.
Go, bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Go, bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Bye, come back again. Bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Go.
Hello, and welcome to Let's Learn English with Anna. I am Dr. Jill. You know, sometimes we feel glad, and sometimes we feel sad. Other times we feel mad. Right now, how do you feel? That is our question for today. How do you feel? How do you feel? Now, let's go to Anna's treehouse. She helps us answer this question.
Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my treehouse. I have a pet cat. 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 No cat. No cat.
Anna, I have the question from the teacher.
Thanks, Max. How do I feel? How do I feel? I feel sad. I feel sad. Cat, cat, cat. Oh, cat. Cat. I feel glad. Cat. Ow! Ow! Now I feel mad. Ow! Cat.
Anna has one pet, a pet cat. How many pets do you see in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pets. Anna's cat makes her sad, glad, mad. Now, let's meet some other friends. They answer the question, how do you feel?
I'm sad.
And I am happy.
I feel glad.
Now, let's play a game. Who feels glad? Listen to our friends again.
I'm sad. I feel glad.
And I am happy.
Who feels glad? That is right. Anna feels glad. Now we go back to Anna. She helps us with these words. Sad, mad, glad.
Listen. What sound is in each word? Sad, mad, glad. Right. Add. A-d, add. S, add, sad. Add, mad. Gla, add, glad. Do you know what makes me glad? A walk. Let's go. People have pets. The people are happy. The pets are happy. Oh, I am happy. I feel glad. Oh no. Where is my cat? Now I feel sad. Let's find this cat. Cat! Cat! Shh! The cat! The cat! No! Now I am mad.
Oh, good. Anna has the pet cat. And she feels glad. Now it is your turn. How do you feel? See you next time on Let's Learn English with Anna.
Goodbye. Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.
Max. I feel sad. I feel mad. I feel glad.
आपकी और हमारी पहचान
FM G-Wave Pakistan